I have been working on this AI SaaS project inside VS Code. This is an AI video editor that I'm building from myself. And of course, I'm using AI to write code for me. But there is one single tool that has changed my entire development experience. This tool basically acts as my technical co-founder and it has simplified my entire development experience. So before you spend another dollar on an outsourcing code or another night starting from a blank code editor, you need to watch this video. So most of you in my audience think that building a software business required either a computer science degree or a $50,000 bank account. And then you find yourself stuck in that cycle of drawing wireframes and dreaming about ideas that never actually launched because you cannot bridge the gap between concept and the code. But what if I told you that the old way of building a software company is officially dead? You no longer have to be CEO, the engineer, and the project manager all at once. So I have been using this AI tool which is called Verdent AI, and just recently they released this version 2.0 as well. This AI agent is basically a complete shift from AI tool to an actual technical co-founder. So I built this fully functional AI video editor SaaS tool using Verdent, and this is how this tool works. So I can just import any of my video recordings, and then what it does, this AI tool analyzes the entire video. It first transcripts the entire video file, it understands it using AI, and then it uses AI to cut all of the bad takes from the video. So wherever there are bad takes or silences, it removes that part from the video. I can then review this entire video. If I'm satisfied, I can simply just click on export and export this video in MP4 format. So this is a fully functional AI video editing app that I built myself without writing a single line of code by myself. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact process so you can turn your ideas into fully functional projects using Verdent AI without writing a single line of code. The biggest mistake most of us make is thinking we need to babysit AI through every single line of code. But with Verdent AI, you stop wearing all of those different hats and start owning the big picture. So you just tell Verdent AI what to build, and it handles the planning, task breakdown, and complete execution of that task. And it does all of that while I'm out meeting clients or even just having dinner, while Verdent AI is running tasks in parallel and auto testing the build. I don't come back to a list of questions, I come back to the results. So I think enough talk, let me just quickly show you how exactly Verdent works and how we can build something real using Verdent AI. So first of all, to start using Verdent AI, just go to verdent.ai or just click on the link in description, and then you can just download the installation file on your computer. You can in fact use it inside VS Code as well, so you can just install it as an extension. You can just go to the extension section and then look for Verdent and then install it. But I have installed it on my computer and I'm using it as my desktop software. So once Verdent is installed, next step is you can just click on this select project, and now you can just click on new project and you can just locate your project on your computer, and then that's it. Verdent will understand your project and it will go through your entire code base. Or if you want to like start the new project, absolutely new project, we can simply again go to your home tab and then you can just like choose an empty folder and then you can just ask it to build a project for yourself. But I really want to test how good Verdent AI is with an existing project. So if you already have a project which has a huge source code, so now you can just import that project and then you can ask Verdent to maybe like build on top of that source code. So the process is absolutely simple. You can either start using the agent mode or you can use the plan mode to start planning before you actually start building, and then you can just choose your favorite AI models from here. You can use the latest one, Claude Opus 4.7 as well, and you can use GPT 5.5 as well, Gemini 3.1 Pro as well. All of these famous AI models you can access from here, or you can just leave it to the performance so it can automatically choose the best AI model for that particular task. There is this really important section which is called skills. Here you can import and add any of these skills in here. So you can add skills like Firecrawl Web Scraper or maybe MCP Builder as well, or maybe this Figma skill, or any of these skills you can use from here to empower your Verdent AI agent more. You can also create and add new skills as well. There is another really cool feature that is very common in autonomous AI agents. You can now connect Slack and Telegram and other AI chat applications with Verdent in here. So you can directly communicate with Verdent from your mobile phone, from your any other device, rather than like using it on your main computer. So you can connect Telegram and then you can just chat with Verdent AI and then you can ask it to like build any certain feature in this particular project, or if you had any bug in your project, you can ask Verdent to quickly just like fix that bug so you can completely handle it while you are not there on your desktop. Honestly, what really changed the game for me is that Verdent AI actually remembers. Usually when you hire someone new, you spend weeks re-explaining your vision and your standards, but Verdent has long-term memory. It knows my project history and my specific preferences. It has dozens of built-in dev skills like security checks and deployment optimization that invokes automatically. So basically, the more we work together, the sharper it gets. I can literally send a message from Slack or from Telegram and then ask it to deploy the latest build while I'm away from my desk, and it will just do that on background and notify me as soon as it is done. So if I just give it a task, something like suggest me new features for the version 2 of this product. So now because it already understands the entire project, it already understands all of the features, it is going to suggest me new features for my version 2, and then I can ask it to version on these features one by one. So one of the features that I really want to add is this smart chapter mark markers. So what I can do, I can ask it to build this particular feature. Now it will actually start building this feature, and I can just go away while it is building this feature. I don't need to interact with it anymore, and it will just notify me on Slack if I've connected, and on Telegram if I've connected Telegram channel. So it will be working on background on this feature and just notify me as soon as that feature is done. So you can see already it has started implementing this feature. So now it will just keep working on it and then let me know as soon as the feature is ready. So if you have been sitting on an idea because you are a solo founder like myself who got a massive outsourcing code, or maybe you are a product manager who's tired of only trying wireframes, so this is your green light. You can see everything happening in real time through the Pulse dashboard, which turns complex dev tasks into simple board you can actually understand. So honestly, validating an idea used to cost a fortune and take months of development, and now it just costs as much as a cup of coffee and takes a few hours of your time. So you're not just using a tool, you are gaining a tireless partner that stays on when you step away. So please stop repeating yourself and start building. Okay, so now meanwhile we were talking, you can see it has just finished this task. It has added that smart chapters feature, and we can just test it right now. I can just import a video. So this is one video that I'm going to just import. This is almost 13 minutes long video, and I'm really interested to see how it is going to handle this video. And there you go, you can see our smart chapters feature is fully working and it is fully developed by Verdent AI. So if you're someone who is non-technical and doesn't know how to write code, doesn't know how to develop anything, you can start using Verdent right away and start building using Verdent. If you have any further questions, just leave your comments in the comment section, and I see you next video. Bye bye.